Understanding Flag an Email, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase in the digital world, flag an email. Understanding this phrase is crucial in both personal and professional email communication. So, let's get started. Flagging an email is a digital action you take in your email client. When you flag an email, you're essentially marking it as important or for follow-up. Think of it like putting a sticky note on a physical document to remember it for later. This feature is especially useful in managing a busy inbox, helping you to remember to respond to, read, or take action on important emails. In most email platforms, flagging an email is straightforward. 1. Open your email client, like Gmail, Outlook, etc. 2. Find the email you want to flag. 3. Click on the flag icon or similar symbol. The location and appearance of this icon can vary depending on the email service. Once flagged, the email typically appears with a red flag icon or moves to a designated flagged or important folder. Flagging emails helps in organizing your inbox, prioritizing tasks and responses, ensuring that important emails do not get lost in the clutter, saving time by quickly finding important messages. When flagging emails, avoid these common mistakes. Overflagging. Flagging too many emails can defeat the purpose. Forgetting to review. Regularly check your flagged emails to take necessary actions. Ignoring unflagged emails. Not all important emails come flagged. Always skim through your inbox. Flagging an email is a simple yet powerful tool to keep your digital communication organized and efficient. We hope this video helps you master your email inbox. Happy emailing, and see you in our next lesson.